Hi guys, and welcome back to CashBright, your guide to investing in an ever-increasingly uncertain financial world. So, it was recently announced that GM is getting a $2 billion stake in Nikola, and the right to nominate one board member to the company in exchange for in-kind services. The stock price for Nikola surged on the news by around 30%, and under this exciting partnership, GM will produce Nikola's hydrogen fuel cell electric pickup truck called, and I love this, the Badger, by the end of 2022. And it's fair to say that this partnership has certainly solidified investor confidence in the stock. Now, in our previous video on Nikola, we discussed how electric vehicles are, in our view, the future of the automotive industry, and that despite the inherent risk of investing in an unestablished, loss-making business, it was in fact worth buying the stock, particularly when it dipped below $30 a share. Analysts back in July estimated that the stock was worth around $54 a share, and the stock is currently priced at $50 a share, so not far wrong. Thus meaning that the dip discussed in our previous video did in fact represent a fantastic opportunity to buy the stock on the cheap. So, the question is, did you buy? Well, if you did, well done to you. But as regards what to do next, I think you should hold on to your investment because there is more value to be realised over the longer term. Whilst short-term profits can of course be realised here, I believe the long game is almost always best for investors. Will the stock price be volatile over the next months? Yes. Will future price drops cause panic among investors? Absolutely. But when you look at the long term, these fluctuations are much less significant, and the odds of making a decent profit on your investment are much higher. Case in point, the pandemic caused a panic on the stock market around March of this year, and investors sold out their positions in their droves, causing prices across the board to plummet. In the months that followed, however, prices recovered and, in many cases, even exceeded pre-COVID levels. Investing in the stock market truly benefits those that do their homework on their portfolio and, above all, are patient and composed when it comes to hitting that button to sell. So what if you didn't buy this stock? Is now the right time? Well, let's take a closer look at the specifics of the announcement. The deal with GM certainly makes the prospect of getting Nikola's trucks to market much more feasible, and this should eventually get the company off the loss-making slope and on the road towards profitability. As already discussed, GM will engineer and manufacture Nikola's electric Badger pickup, and this ought to reach consumers during 2022. GM will also supply Ultium batteries, Hydrotech fuel cells, and related parts for Nikola's upcoming electric Class 8 trucks. Interestingly though, GM is not investing any actual cash in the company, and in exchange for partnering with Nikola, it will receive $2 billion worth of stock at a price of around $42 a share. Nikola has agreed to pay for certain costs relating to the assembly of the new Badger, but also does not have to pay any money up front in this deal. So this collaboration is clearly mutually beneficial for both companies, but particularly for Nikola in my view, as they will make crucial efficiency and cost savings over the 10-year duration of the deal with GM. So whilst it's possible that the sale of the $2 billion worth of stock could exert a downward pressure on Nikola's current stock price, on balance, I believe market sentiment will continue to dominate and drive the stock upward, possibly even toward the $80 mark the stock hit not long after the company went public on the Nasdaq under the ticker NKLA on the 4th of June 2020. So if you want my view, I would still say buy this stock. Now yes, of course, there are still risks and you should bear these in mind, such as the lack of any sales and the relative infant state of this company. But, as they say, one has to speculate to accumulate, and I believe the stock has a good chance of accumulating greater value as we head into 2021 and beyond. Do you agree? As always, do let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And until the next time, stay sharp, stay hungry, and stay cash bright.